Hello viewers, a lot of users actually wanted to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, but they did not get the best price during Republic Day sale. So many people are asking me about the best price of Tab S9 FE Plus and also about the next sale date. For a long time, the price of Tab S9 FE Plus is on the higher side. If you ask me about the best price of this tablet, then I will say that the best price of Tab S9 FE Plus is around 24 to 27,000 rupees. But currently the price of this tablet is about 40,000 rupees, and after discount you will get this at around 36,000 rupees. That is not a value for money product for this tablet. I have made many comparison video between iPad 10th generation and Tab S9 FE Plus. If you directly compare these two devices, you can see that iPad 10th generation is more vibrant, and on the other hand the display of Tab S9 FE Plus is on the cooler tone, whereas you can find that iPad 10th generation has a warmer tone. Personally, I like the display of iPad 10th generation. However, it may not be said that the display of Tab S9 FE Plus is not that great. If you don't use them side by side, you cannot tell the difference which display is better. Actually, many users, especially students, want to buy Tab S9 FE Plus for its note-taking capacity. As the S Pen comes free of cost inside the box, there is no added or extra amount that you have to pay. You will just open the box and you will get the S Pen in the box, and you can have a very good writing experience. And also there are many customization features using S Pen. You can do a lot of creativity tasks on this Tab S9 FE Plus. This is a regular S Pen. It doesn't need any charging, so there is no problem with the S Pen. Plus there is no latency issue with this pen. Writing experience is very good. So if you are planning to buy Tab S9 FE Plus only for noting experience, you can definitely buy this tablet. The base version comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, plus you can extend your storage via micro SD card slot. Plus the battery life of Tab S9 FE Plus is really impressive. You will get 10,000 plus mAh battery with this tablet, and it can easily last up to 10 hours of screen on time on a single charge. However, you have to buy the charger separately. That is an extra cost that you have to bear. So finally, in the conclusion, the best price of Tab S9 FE Plus is around 23 to 27,000 rupees, and if you want to buy this tablet, you have to wait for the big sale when you will get discounts on this tablet. I think you will get the next sale towards the end of February or towards the first week of March, but it is not sure whether you will get better discounts on Tab S9 FE Plus or not, but I think you will get discounts. So let's hope for the best and you will get the best discounts. And if you want to know about the best offers, please subscribe the channel. I will let you know about the best offers. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel with notification bell on. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.